Hi, everybody. Welcome back to the Stony Creek and Poor Valley Railroad. I'm Bill. So, last night, about midnight-ish, I was scrolling through Craigslist, and something showed up there that grabbed my attention. And contacted the seller and had a phone call, and took about a 65-mile drive to go get it. So, wanted to share with you what this was and tell you about this new series that we're going to be launching. So let's just work our way through this unboxing. So we have a N5C caboose, and you will see here it's rather speckled with paint. The wheels are not exactly in the most awesome condition, but what does that mean? It means we have an opportunity. Following our caboose, we have the traditional 6456 Lehigh Valley hopper. She's also quite speckled with paint and has a damaged coupler. So that'll be an interesting project to do. And the interior is quite speckled with paint as well. Next, we have a 3461 lumber car. And as you can see, missing a few stakes, missing a coupler on one end. The wiring certainly is nothing to write home about. So that's our log car. But then we transition out of the mundane. We've got a 3484 Pennsylvania boxcar. Now these are, I love these guys. They are actually metal sided instead of plastic. Just a little bit different from everything else that we have. So just a boxcar there. This one, again, we got a missing coupler, and the wheels have seen more than a little bit of moisture. So it's got some opportunities. Oh, I just realized the 3484 is not the boxcar I thought it was. No, this is one of our animated boxcars. I see here in the door that we've got the stand for the guy that's supposed to jump out, but we are missing the plunger. So we'll be getting some more parts for him. Next is one of, as far as I'm concerned, this is desirable. B&O 6468 automobile double door boxcar. So I think that guy's rather cool. This one doesn't have a whole lot of defect to deal with, but it does have some filth and a little bit of the paint spatter. Well, what did they haul this thing with? Well, I'll give you a first clue. Here is our tender. This is a 2046 W tender. So this is one of the larger tenders. It's a whistle tender. Doesn't have any major significant problems with it. Finally, I know you're waiting for it. You want to know what this thing is pulled by. That is the 736 Burke. Yep, she's spattered with paint as well. She's missing side rods. The front pilot is sitting in the box over here. It's got lots of rust, some improper screws in it, but lots and lots of opportunity. The 736 is certainly worthwhile to do the repairs on it. Looks like we're going to have to put in a new headlight. Oh boy, they did some real interesting things with this. All right, so there is our whole haul from today. I did look up in the Greenberg's guide. It is not actually a cataloged set that we have here. But we are going to kick off a series on the channel here where we're going to go through this entire set and go through the refurbishment. This is going to be a fun journey, and I am looking forward to sharing it with you. So, if you are new, please subscribe because we're going to have a significant series here. I'm sure that the loco is likely to take a couple of episodes. The tender will take one. Each of the box cars will take one, especially since I've got to get the parts for the animated one. So stay tuned. We'll see you all soon. Thanks. Bye.